Alphonse G. Inita, Misamis Oriental, cum laude. Magataw, Edreme B. Cagayan de Oro City. Mapanaw, Victor Lawrence P. Malaybalay City, Bukidnon. Monterona, Jaya A. Cagayan de Oro City, magna cum laude. Navarrete, Maria Estelle S. Cagayan de Oro City. Baham, Jessa M. Cagayan de Oro City, Endeavor Our D. Panoriel, Sophia Jade M. Cagayan de Oro City, honorable mention.
The families are represented by the board of directors of this corporation. I hereby proclaim you graduates of this program, your respective programs, and declare as worthy recipients of the degrees, diplomas, certificates, medals, and other emoluments thereto. Congratulations to all of you.
Please be seated. The Vice President for Academic Affairs shall now preside over the distribution of diplomas and awards.
CU community would like to thank Monsignor Ted Legitimus, our university chaplain, for officiating this university celebration. We would like also to thank all the parents, friends, relatives, and those who are supporting our students to make their dreams and all our heads.
Sige na, ikaw ra.
1, 2, 3, and smile. Yes. Iwi mo 1. Abayan na.